Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4. We have already done few questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So now let us start with question number 8. A student scored following marks in his test. So these are the marks given. And he wants a mean of 85 for the better overall for getting the merit certificate. So what are the minimum marks he should get in the last test in order to achieve that average? So total marks will be, that is the mean of 85, and this 4 means the last test including that will be 5 tests. So that is going to be 85 into 5, so that will be 425. So now what are the marks scored? These are the marks scored. So what you are going to do, total marks scored will be, you are going to add this all 4. So that will be 346. So marks required in the last test will be 425 minus 346, that is going to be 79. So we have to, they've asked here, what are the minimum marks you should get in the last test? So same thing. So therefore student needs 79 marks in the last test to achieve an average of 85. The mean of 9 observations was found to be 35. Later on, it was revealed that an observation with value 81 was misread as 18. So find the correct mean of the observation. So first thing what we have to see here, the mean of 18 observations means this is the incorrect total. So we'll see here incorrect total means 35 and there are 9 observations means 35 into 9. That is going to be 315. So what is the error in that? So here this is given, it was revealed that 81 was misread as 18. So 81 minus 18, that is 63. So we have to see the correct total. So this is the incorrect total. So we have to see the correct total. So what will you do? 315. So error is 63. So you are going to add that one because this is plus 63. So that will be 378. So now you need the correct mean of it. So correct mean means 378, and how many observations a year? That will be divided by 9. So when you divide this one, you get 42. So the correct mean is 42. State whether the following statements are true or false. So they say the mean is first observation plus last observation divided by 2. So what the mean, so this is false because we have to see all the observations, not only the first and the last. Whatever the numbers are given, whatever the data is, we have to take all and we have to divide it by that many numbers. If there are 4 numbers, so that will be, we have to divide it by, we have to add all 4 and we have to divide by 4. So this is not the correct way. So it is false. Mean is always one of the numbers in the data. Definitely this is not going to be the same number. So it is false. Mode of the data may or may not exist. So that is true. Because in some cases, the data, we will find a mode. Mode means what? That is the number which is repeating. But it's not necessary in the data, the number repeats. So it may or may not exist. So this is true. Median is one of the numbers in the data. So again, this also is not true. It is not the number in the data. Median refers to that number such that half of all the numbers are larger and half of all the numbers are smaller than the number. So actually, median means we have to see the middlemost in the data. So that is actually, we will take the half part of it, half from this part, the half this one, and we'll see the, which is the middlemost one of it. So this is true. Scores of a test where these are the scores given, and what is the mode? Mode means the number which is repeated more than once. So here what we can see, this 6 is also repeated and this 7 also is repeated. So the mode is 6 and 7. The arithmetic mean of these numbers are given is 8 and you have to find x. So mean is what? You have to add this one, the sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So this you are going to add it. Number of observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So divided by 8. And is 8 means the mean is 8. So you will write this 8 below this mean. So when you add these numbers and then plus x, you will add all this one. So that is going to be 57 plus x divided by this 8. So now you will take this 8 on this side, so that will get multiplied because this is divided, it is changing the side. So 8 8 is 64 is equal to 57 plus x. So 64, this will go here, minus 57 is equal to x. So this is going to be 7 is going to be x will be 7. Mean of 10 observations was found to be 51. Later on, it was found that the observation 62 was misread as 72. Find the correct mean. So what is the incorrect mean? That is 51 into the number of observation is 10. So 51 into 10, that will be 510. So what is the error here? So it was 62 was misread as 72. So 62 minus 72 means minus 72 plus 62. That is going to be minus 10. So error is minus 10. So correct total, this was the incorrect total. So correct total will be, so this is 510 and this is minus 10. So minus 10. So that is going to be 500. So what will be the correct mean? They want the correct mean. That will be 500 divided by the number of observations, that is 10. So this is going to be 50. When you simplify this, so correct mean of observations is 50. The mean of this is 10, so then x will be what? So these are the options given. So mean, we have to add all these numbers, sum of all the observation divided by the number of, so we are going to add this one. Number of observation means this is going to be 6 divided by 6. Is 10 means mean is given as 10. So you are going to add this one, 52 plus x divided by this 6. So this will go here. So that will be 60 is 52 plus x. So 60 minus 52, that is x. So this will be 8. So x is 8. So you have to click on this, put a tick mark here. So A option. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students are as follows. So these are the scores given, and you have to find the median and mode of this data, and then you have to say whether they are same. Are they same? So whenever you want to find out the median, first thing you have to do is you have to arrange in the, this is the data given. You have to arrange the data in the ascending order. So this is arranged in the ascending order. Then you have to see the median. Median means the middlemost observation. So how many numbers we have? We have, that is 15. So now let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 means 7 here and 7 here. And this is the middlemost one because 15 is an odd number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, this is the 8th observation. So that is 20. So we can say median is equal to middlemost observation, that is 20. And the mode. Mode means the number which is repeated. So this is the number which is repeating. So that is 20. So what we can see, median and mode both are the same. So we can say median is equal to mode is equal to 20. So we can say yes, they are same. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.